Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering jiggle mode so you can move apps freely. Touch and hold an app until icons wiggle. If a menu appears, tap Edit Home Screen. Once done, pinch with 2 fingers to zoom out and view all pages. That makes arranging faster. You can drag an icon immediately, move it to another spot or page by holding and dragging to the screen edge. Make sure to keep one finger steady while you reposition to avoid accidental app launches. You'll group and rearrange for efficiency. Drag one app onto another to create a folder, then rename it for clarity. Once folders exist, move apps between pages, the dock, and folders by dragging to the target area. Placing frequently used apps in the dock speeds access. If you have several to move, long press one app, then use a second finger to tap additional apps and drag them as a stack. This batch move saves time when reorganizing multiple screens. Finish by tapping Done or using the home gesture to exit jiggle mode. Your layout saves automatically. If an app refuses to move, check screen time and device management profiles. Restrictions can lock apps. Once you confirm permissions, try moving again. If problems persist, restart the iPad. A reboot clears temporary glitches. Finally, ensure guided access or accessibility settings aren't restricting touch. Disable them temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.